Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best 110-volt stick welders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is HITBOX Dual Volt ARC Welding Machine Rod Stick 110/220 volt Mini Portable Inverter Welder. The Dual Volt ARC welding machine is one of the most affordable stick welder found in the market. The model is lightweight and compact, thus ideal in handling different welding projects. It has a carrying handle and the strap to enhance mobility of the machine, hence easy to carry it when required for repairs around your garage. The model offers excellent performance when setting well. The model has a dual voltage of 110/220 volt with little spatter and stable current that enhances performance during welding. Additionally, the welder comes with a 60% duty cycle that helps in protecting the welder from any damages that may occur for a long lasting. Besides, the model comes with an electrode holder and an earth clamp for quality accessories and has warranty limited to 1 year to cater for any problem that may arise while using the machine. The model has a 1-year warranty to cater for any damages that may occur while using the welder. The machine has a portable and compact design with a carrying handle for convenient use whenever required. The welder comes with a rated duty cycle of 60%, useful in protecting the welders from any long-lasting destruction. It has a dual voltage with 140 amp stick welder, which enhances the performance of the machine. The model has little spatter with a stable current for quality performance. Pros. The model is lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to handle different welding projects. The machine offers excellent performance because it has a powerful welder. The model is quite cheap, thus economical to many customers in the market. The model has a small size and portable to use whenever required. Cons. Once the machine shut off and broke, it requires only expert to turn it on, thus becomes expensive in maintaining. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weldpro 200 amp Inverter Multi-Process Welder. The Weldpro 200 amp multi-process is the most affordable welder designed for various uses. The model comes with an IGBT inverter technology, which helps in providing the highest power in a compact and light unit. The compact unit of 30 pounds is capable of performing various welding activities such as lifting TIG, stick welding, and welding MIG up to a maximum of 200 amp output. The model has a dual voltage for the quality and excellent performance of the welder. It has an IGBT inverter technology that provides a high power rating in a compact unit. The model comes with a dual digital display, which makes it easy to read and set the amperage. It has a multi-purpose dual voltage for carrying various welding projects such as modifications of cars, decorations, and factory maintenance. The model comes with Weldpro's flagship MIG welder that is beyond flux core and MIG welding. Pros. The model is economical to many buyers since it is available at an affordable price. The model comes with a compact and lightweight size that enhances the portability from one place to another. The model comes with a good handle, hence making it easy to carry whenever needed. It is easy and straightforward to read and set the required amperage since it has a dual digital display. The model is versatile, thus capable of performing stick welding as well as lifting TIG welding. Cons. The model comes with very short welding cables, thus making the process inefficient. Number 3. Our third best pick is Zeny Arc Welding Machine DC Inverter Dual Voltage. The model comes with a dual input voltage inverter of 115V and 230V with a maximum output current of 160A. Zeny Arc Welding Machine is the next type of stick welder with the outstanding features and specifications for the workability and stability during welding processes. The model is a dual input voltage inverter with the highest output amperage of 160A. The output amperage of the machine is adjustable using the dial labeled from 5A to a maximum of 160A. Additionally, the model is portable since it has a shoulder strap and carrying handle. It provides an infinite amperage control with an LED meter for adjusting the machine to the required settings. The device comes with a wide range of applications, especially in home constructions, sheet metal processing, among many others. Lots of welders have to face some issues with correct amperage for stick welding. That's true if the welding machine comes with a non-calibrated dial. Zeny Arc Welding Machine is so cheap but it has a high-quality protection system. This would be my choice. It has 3-level protection systems, that is overcurrent protection, overheat protection, overpressure protection with a heat dissipation feature. Pros. The model produces the proper current and voltage since the inverter is adjustable from AC to DC. The model is convenient and easy to carry from one place to another. The model is compatible with stainless steel materials. The machine is capable of using dual voltage with both 110 volts and 230 volts. The model works for an extended period since it is a 60% duty cycle. Cons. The model requires a higher quality electrode holder, which is expensive to maintain. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is LOTOS TIG 200 IGBT 200 AAC DC Aluminum TIG Welder. LOTOS TIG 200 IGBT Welder is one of the most versatile machine welder commonly found in the market. The model offers welders with the simple and easy way to accurately control and set the welder for the quality performance in various projects. Its square wave shape inverter helps to obtain a light aluminum accurately. The model has a dual voltage and allows the welders to switch quickly from 220 volts to 110 volts using the included adapter plug. The model has an advanced POPST cooling system that enhances the durability and stability of the plasma cutter. The machine comes with a 200A inverter with a square wave shape for accurate welding of aluminum. The welder consists of the precise foot pedal and HF hand torch control suitable for welding aluminum, mild steel, and other materials made of metals. The model consists of an automatic dual voltage that provides excellent performance during welding. Pros. The customers purchase the product with confidence since it has a refund offer of 30 days and a warranty limited to 1 year. The model is suitable in the welding of the primary and acidic electrode because of the presence of adjustable hot arc current. The machine performs excellent and quality welding projects because of its dual voltage. It has a durable and stable plasma cutter because of its cooling system of advanced POPST. The model is versatile, thus used in a wide variety of welding situations. Cons. The manual instructions lack more details, thus problematic when setting up. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Everlast Welders Canada PowerArc 160 STHHF TIG Stick IGBT Inverter 160 amp Welder. The PowerArc 160 is the only stick welder in our listing to feature HF TIG. It offers HF start for TIG, or you can fly to switch to change to lift start if you don't have a pedal, making this a great option for anyone thinking of TIG welding as well. There have been some question marks over the reliability of Everlast machines, however they've put forward a 5-year warranty on parts on labor, making this an attractive option. The 160 is dual voltage, but isn't as portable as other DC inverter welders, weighing around 10 pounds more. You should still be able to carry it, and it comes with a really nice carry case. But if portability is crucial, then there are better options. It isn't suitable for 6010s, but does perform well for 6013, 7014 and 7018. The arc runs smooth with auto arc control and is easy to start with hot start. Pros. HF for better TIG performance. Digital display. Hot start and auto arc control. Carry case included. 5-year warranty. Dual voltage. Cons. Not suitable for 6010 electrodes. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.